What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can easily use Leonardo AI to start Teespring print on demand. So right here guys, this is a very easy tutorial, so you want to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. Leonardo.ai is an AI image generation platform that enables you to create production quality visual assets for your project with unprecedented quality, speed, and style consistency right there. And print on demand is a lucrative business that every beginner wants to simply get into because there is no risks involved. All you simply need to do is to create your design, upload your design on Teespring, and Teespring gets to work whereby they simply just help you monetize your content, they help you monitor your content right here, and they also help you with the customer support. So this is a very simple tutorial. So guys, let's simply get started. So the first thing we want to do is to simply just create our design. So you can easily go onto leonardo.ai, click onto create an account, and it's going to take you right onto the leonardo.ai dashboard. So once you're right here, if you simply scroll down, there are lots of designs right here that you can easily just pick to create a design for your product. We have lots of designs, amazing designs that you can easily just add into your product. So right here guys, you can decide to simply make use of this right here. Tap on that particular image. What you want to do, simply copy out your prompts. I'm just going to copy out this particular prompt right here and go back right here and click onto image generation. Once you're right here, it's going to take you right onto this page whereby you simply just need to paste in your prompts and click onto generate. So as you can see right here guys, I've been able to create this design and also this right here from the same prompt. So you can easily just tap on the particular design you want to make use of. You can easily decide to make use of this particular design and click onto download image. So once I'm done downloading this image, the next thing guys I want to simply do right now is to go onto Teespring. So Teespring is a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. There is no cost, no hassle, or even no risks available right here. So click on to start creating and it's going to take you right onto the Teespring dashboard. So right here guys, all you want to do, go on to create product. So once you're right here, the next thing you want to select your products. You have the apparel section. So I want to make use of apparel and go onto kids and babies and tap onto t-shirts. So these are some t-shirts right here for kids. So I can decide to make use of the kids premium teal and tap onto this pencil icon right here. And it's going to take me right onto this page whereby there are 3 steps required. We have the design, the styles, and the launch right here. So you can add an image or text, right? I'm just going to add in an image right here. So this is an image. You can adjust your image a bit right here. The next thing is choosing your product color. You can decide to make use of this color and this right here. Let's make use of all of these 5 colors right here. Now right here guys, setting your pricing. I'm just going to go out with this price. So if this particular t-shirt is sold for $21.99, my profit or sale from this particular product is $5.67. So once you're done, click on to continue and it's going to take you right onto the second step, which is the style section. So the next thing is to simply just add more products with a single click. So there are more products that you can easily add in. I'm just going to go on with this and click on to continue. And it's going to take me right onto the third step, which is the launch section. Once you're right here guys on the launch section, put in your title of your design. You can decide to make this to be the title of my design right here. So once I'm done, go to your description. I can paste this as my description. Next, you can go to the advanced settings right here. Whereby you want to make use of the visibility, edit URL, handle, and minimal. And once you're done, click on to launch listing right here. As you can see, we have been able to launch in this particular product right here. As you can see, step 1 is saving our product images, step 2 out of 3. And once this is done, we are done launching our launching. So once this is done, as you can see, congratulations, this is now live right here. So you can easily create another listing, another product as much as possible right here, making use of Leonardo.ai. So this is how you can easily create design by making use of Leonardo.ai and simply go onto Teespring and upload your designs right here on the print on demand platform, and you are able to earn some passive income whenever your product, which is uploaded right here on Teespring, is being sold. So once you sell a particular product, you get paid. So this is how this actually works.